started with a meow. I've been dancing in the dark with no name for my pain. Tried 100 white coats, but they all look the same. Said maybe it's in your head, but I know I bled. I cried, I played till one walked in with a look in their eyes. Said let's get you right, let's change your life. Ooh, and the fog started clearing. My soul started hearing hope in stereo. And why don't you, baby, I heard that low. When the cat purrs, I feel alright. Soft little heartbeat in the neon light. I close my eyes, dreaming pain-free nights. Got a dog who listens and a cat who bites. But when the cat purrs, oh, I feel alive. Yeah, I feel alive. Used to lay on the floor, curled up in defeat. Now I spread in the mirror with this brand new beat. Croons HS, yeah, I still got them, but I finally found someone who wants to solve them. They ain't throwing pills, they asking deep. Looking at my child like it's poetry. And just like that, I got my groove. Put on my heels, got nothing to prove. Ooh, and I'm dancing through the doorway, feeling like it's my birthday. Hope in stereo, and just outside, baby, I hear that low. When the cat purrs, I feel alright. Soft little heartbeat and neon light. I close my eyes, dreaming pain-free nights. Got a dog who listens and a cat who bites. When cat purrs, oh, I feel alive. Yeah, I feel alive. Every scar, every cry, built the rhythm in my stride. Diagnosis like a love note from the divine. And my cat, my shadow, my partner in crime. Yeah, they knew before I did. Tonight's the night I start to live. Ooh, when the cat purrs, I feel alright. Oh, I feel alright. Soft little heart